Hello and welcome guys. Today a different kind of video, an unboxing video. I've ordered some stuff for the channel of course and something for the new baby, the first baby of my sister who was born this week, so it will be a different kind of video, but I'm pretty excited because I think I really like what's in this box. It's from the Alphamen store. I deleted my address of course, but Alphamen store in the Netherlands. Don't know if they ship to other European countries, but it's a great store. Let's get started. We take a knife. Let's start opening it. First the sample card of perfume. Akakapa Folette. Bit spicy, fresh. Not really my style. Okay. Some deodorant. Open this. I got two of these. This will be the presents for my nephew. Let's see if it's alright. Alphamen Gentleman's Shop. Then we go out new beard oil. I've tried this one before. Clubman Pinaud. 30 mils, 1 fluid ounce. Endscreen beard oil. I've seen it a lot lately on the site. It's really cheap. And this is the almost 60 ml or 2 fluid ounces. I'm gonna try it out. King Gillette 30 ml beard oil. This is the one my father-in-law uses, and I haven't used it before, so I'm eager to try it out. Then we got an enzyme exfoliant sample from Grown Alchemist. And last one, Saponificio, Varesino, Felce aromatica eau de parfum. Really looking forward to this one. Real nice bottle. They have different, a lot of scents. Whoa, but so strong as fuck this. Whoa. Fresh opening, lemon, tangerine. Look for the nose. Ginger root, Szechuan pepper. Ooh, nice classy scent. And look at the presentation. Nice one. This was the quick haul of the Alphamen store in the Netherlands. And I would say reviews coming